Complete resolution of swelling and complete results can take up to 2 to 3 months to show up. So this procedure can be very satisfying procedure when performed safely and correctly. Dear friends, I am Dr. B.K. Garg. I am plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in New Delhi and Gurugram area since last 15 years. Over the years, I had the privilege to treat more than 10,000 patients with various skin, hair and cosmetic surgery issues. If you have any query regarding any of these, please reach us on WhatsApp, Facebook or Instagram. We'll be very happy to help you. A lot of you have been asking me about thigh liposuction. So in this video, I will try to address most of the questions you have been asking frequently. Thigh liposuction is a common procedure which is many times performed along with tummy liposuction procedure. So in this video, I will discuss how this procedure is performed, who is a suitable candidate for this procedure, and what are the benefits. I hope you find this video useful. First, we will discuss why thigh liposuction is done. Many times it's done along with tummy liposuction to keep the entire body in right proportion. Sometimes we do thigh liposuction procedure as a standalone procedure or only as a thigh liposuction procedure. This is done mainly for those men and women who have heavier thighs and whose waist is largely close to their normal size. So in that case, whenever they wear tight clothes or wear jeans, etc., then their thighs tend to bulge out on the sides or from the inner side. So we can tackle these kind of body shape issues by thigh liposuction. Apart from that, many women complain that they have inner thighs which keep rubbing against each other. So with thigh liposuction procedure, we can create that thigh gap which helps them in maintaining better hygiene and makes it comfortable to walk around. So thigh liposuction also involves sometimes liposuction around knee area, which is sometimes little bulkier than rest of the thighs, or there's some collection of fat around inner part of knee. So doing liposuction there provides better shape to thighs. So thigh liposuction can be useful to provide you right kind of proportion when thigh has extra fat compared to other body parts, or many times it is generally has to be part of general liposuction procedure along with liposuction of tummy area. Thigh liposuction procedure is performed under anesthesia. So what we do in this procedure is we make a small incision which is usually 2 to 3 millimeter in size. At Iconic Clinic, we use very fine cannulas so that you have minimum scars and your contours are smooth and fine. So through those small incisions, we introduce a special fluid under the skin to make the fat loose and to make it easy for it to be sucked out. Through same points, we introduce another cannula and we take out the fat from different layers of skin. We use very fine cannulas so that the contours are smooth and there is minimum chance of irregularities. Post procedure, we allow you and we ask you to wear compression garment. You can be sent home same evening. 6 to 7 days later, you may notice some bruising on the parts of thigh where liposuction was done. There can be some swelling also. Bruises and most part of the swelling usually settle down by 2 weeks time. Remaining swelling can take another week or two to completely settle down. As far as pain is concerned, post procedure, your movements initially, particularly in the first week, can be little painful. You will be on antibiotic and painkillers post procedure, and these are usually sufficient to take care of that pain. By around 1 week time, you're able to do most of your activities comfortably, although you'll be walking around same day. So usually by around 3 weeks time, most of the activities are back and you can resume your exercise also most of the times. And complete resolution of swelling and complete results can take up to 2 to 3 months to show up. So this procedure can be very satisfying procedure when performed safely and correctly. I hope you found this video useful, and if you still have more questions regarding thigh liposuction procedure or you want to reach us regarding any of this, please reach us on WhatsApp, Facebook or YouTube. We're very happy to help you, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated about latest information about cosmetic surgery. Thank you so much.